Courses for the Levim were established in the days of David, and David the king divided them by lot. Of the books called Davrei Hayamim, the words of the days, and Chronicles, the first, chapter 25. Moreover, David and the captains of the host set apart for the service certain of the sons of Asaph, and of Haiman, and of Yedithun, who should prophesy with harps, with nebalim, and with cymbals. And the number of them that did the work, according to their service, was of the sons of Asaph, Zakur, and Yosef, and Nathaniah, and Asharahela. The sons of Asaph, under the hand of Asaph, the one prophesying according to the order of the king. Of Yedithun, the sons of Yedithun, Godoliahu, and Thori, and Yeshayahu, Hashabiyahu, and Mattathiyahu, 6, under the hands of their father Yedithun, with the harp, the one prophesying in giving thanks and praisingly to Yahweh. Of Haiman, the sons of Haiman, Bukiyahu, Mattaniyahu, Uzziel, Shubael, and Yerimot, Hananiah, Hanani, Eliata, Gedelti, and Romemti Ezer, Yeshbakasha, Malothi, Hothir, Mahziot. All these were the sons of Haiman, the king's seer, in the words of the God, to lift up the horn. And the God gave to Haiman 14 sons and 3 daughters. All these were under the hands of their father for song in the house of Yahweh, with cymbals, nebalim, and harps, for the service of the house of the God. Asaph, Yedithun, and Haiman being under the order of the king, and the number of them with their brothers that were instructed in singing to Yahweh, even all that were skillful, was 288. And they cast lots for their officers, all alike, as well the small as the great, the teacher as the disciple. Now the first lot came forth for Asaph to Yosef, the second to Godoliahu. He and his brothers and sons were 12. The third to Zakur, his sons and his brothers 12. The fourth to Yithri, his sons and his brothers 12. The fifth to Nathaniah, his sons and his brothers 12. The sixth to Bukiyahu, his sons and his brothers 12. The seventh to Yesharahela, his sons and his brothers 12. The eighth to Yeshayahu, his sons and his brothers 12. The ninth to Mattaniyahu, his sons and his brothers 12. The 10th to Shimei, his sons and his brothers 12. The 11th to Azarahel, his sons and his brothers 12. The 12th to Hashabiah, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 13th, Shubael, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 14th, Mattathiyahu, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 15th, to Yerimot, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 16th, to Hananiah, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 17th, to Yeshbekashah, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 18th, to Hanani, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 19th, to Malothi, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 20th, to Heliatha, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 21st, to Hothir, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 22nd, to Gedalati, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 23rd, to Mahzioth, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 24th, to Romemti-Azur, his sons and his brothers 12. And there were courses of the doorkeepers.